first group, Mars group. Ready? Third and fourth standard. First question. A fish has gills behind its dash dash. Say loudly. A fish has gills behind its dash dash.
Mouth.
Wrong answer. Then 0 mark.
50 seconds remaining. Answer दिला की एक हां answer दिला wrong.
Okay. Next group. Next question for next group. Jupiter. Third and fourth standard. Question. Winter in Maharashtra is also called a dash dash season. Winter in Maharashtra is also called dash dash season.
Pangal.
Yes, Pangal is the correct answer. Next question for Saturn 5th and 6th standard. First question. Who wrote Gram Gita? Who wrote Gram Gita?
गाडी बघा.
Wrong answer. Answer is, anyone know? From audience. Who wrote Gram Gita? Answer is Santa Tukadauji Maharaj. The next group, Earth group. Question. Full form of INSAT.
Indian National Satellites.
Yes, correct answer. Indian National Satellite. Then next group, question for next group. Uranus. First question. Which is the largest muscle in our body? Which is the largest muscle in our body?
30 seconds only.
Thigh.
Yes, thigh is the correct answer. Next group. First question. What is the molecular formula of propane? Propane. What is the molecular formula of propane?
Only 50 seconds remaining. P.
No. 5 seconds even. Time finish. Audience, anyone know answer? What is the molecular formula of propane? Answer is C3H8. Okay, now. Again, next question for Mars group. It is now only first round. Okay. Mars group third and fourth standard second question. What is the scientific name of methi? What is the scientific name of methi?
Methi. Aditya Raj.
Very easy. Senior KG in senior KG book.
Senior KGS with picture.
Methi. 1, 2.
Time is finished. Audience? Very good. Very good. Then next.
आता त्याच ग्रुप मध्ये तू आन्सर देऊ शकतो.
कोणते नाही.
कोणाला विचारला होता?
Next question for Jupiter group.
काय तुला माहिती होती बोलायचं.
The special doctor for teeth. It's called. Yes, dentist is the correct answer. Then third group or second question. Because of which vitamin deficiency forgetfulness diseases increase? Because of which vitamin deficiency forgetfulness diseases increase? Third number group.
अथर्व.
No, not third.
Pattern.
Question from 6th standard only.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. Answer is, anyone know? Answer is B9. Question for Earth. Which is the fundamental right of every child? Education is the correct answer. Question for Uranus 7 and 8 standard. Second question. What is the name of scientists who divide living organism into 5 groups? What is the name of scientists who divided living organism into 5 groups?
Whittaker.
Yes, but only it is a surname Whittaker. Answer is a correct. R.H. Whittaker. Then next question for Neptune. What is the German name of tungsten? Tungsten. What is the German name of tungsten? Question will be not passed. Time off. Who know answer? Okay.
Wolfram.
Yes, correct answer. Now second round. In second round, I will give you bowl. Then first group take one sheet, read question and tell answer between 30 seconds only. Okay?
Open it fast.
Stand up and read loudly.
Mahabeshwar.
Read question first.
Dash is the highest peak in Maharashtra. Mahabeshwar.
Wrong answer. We can tell you now 30 seconds na. Hill station not peak.
Hill station not peak.
Anyone? Gayatri, yes not. अरे एकाने घेतलं म्हणजे एकानेच पाहायचं असं नाही सगळ्यांनी चाराने पाहायचं नाही पटपट त्याला येते त्यांनी टाइम अप
Time is over. Okay.
Sign him what is mean by peak. I don't know. You don't know. Peak means what? Anyone know?
Smaller.
Smaller than mountain. What is? Say loudly. Kalsubai not.
Kalsubai.
Kalsubai is the correct answer. Okay.
Then
Another
you-
one.
Next.
This one.
Next. Adhava take and read. Vaishnavi stand up and read loudly.
Dash day celebrate as World Heritage Day.
Tell.
For 15 August.
No. Stand up. 18 April. 18 April is the correct answer.
Good, very good. Plus round is also B.
But what?
30 seconds. Stand up and read. Alia.
Which of the following rocks is used as jewelry? Diamond.
Yes, diamond is correct answer.
Very good.
Fast.
Identify this sign.
Identify.
Kung Fu.
Kung Fu. No, wrong.
Martial arts.
No, wrong. It is a symbol. It is a symbol. It is what? Huh? It is what? No, it is sport. No. You are near.
Near the answer.
Yes, you are near the answer. DD. DD say
Time off. Doordarshan. Doordarshan. Bound.
The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is a is in solid state is called
Crust. Wrong answer. Fourth. Crust is the correct answer. Crust is the correct answer. Then next.
Digest color are used to indicate commercial area.
Green. No. Industrial area. Red. No. I think all rainbow colors. 5 seconds. Blue. Blue is the correct answer.
Faster round. Means that you have 3 minutes and I will ask you question, you give me immediately answer, and if you don't know answer, then say loudly pass. Then I will ask next question. Okay? Last round. Ready? First group, Mars group, ready? First question for Mars group. Which bird have wings but don't have feathers on their body?
Penguin.
No. If you don't know answer, then say loudly pass. I will ask next question.
Say, Gayatri,
Don't waste time.
आपके कितने क्वेश्चन और होने वाले हैं? पास.
Pass.
Next. Pass. He said pass.
Delhi is situated on the which bank of river? All of you, for this round, only 2 minutes. First number group, tell.
This question only for Mars group. This question. When you're 2 minutes.
Between 2 minutes, tell me more answer.
Okay.
Say pass. Don't answer, then say pass.
Pass.
Which bird is smaller than sparrow?
Taylor bird.
Correct.
Correct. Tell the correct spelling of jaggery.
Jaggery spelling. Speak fast. Gayatri.
J-double-G-E-R-Y.
Correct.
Correct. Dash dash is the second capital of India.
Nagpur.
Hey, India not Maharashtra.
Dash dash is the second capital of Maharashtra.
You said India.
Yes, correct answer. Which is the first capital of Swarajya?
Rajgad.
Yes, correct answer. Tell the correct spelling of oxygen.
O-X-Y-G-E-N.
Correct.
How much time?
2 minutes.
40 seconds remaining.
40 seconds.
Then it is important which bird have a wings but don't have a feathers on their body.
One pass, one sir.
Pass. Hey,
Pass.
pass.
It is necessary to give answer minimum 10 questions. You have 10 questions.
10 क्वेश्चन असतात ते 10 क्वेश्चन मध्ये तुम्हाला जास्तीत जास्त आन्सर सांगायचे 10 क्वेश्चन मध्ये आन्सर
Peter. Dash dash is a tribe live in the Thane district. Dash dash tribe live in a Thane district.
Try third standard के book से. Abhay.
He was just enjoying it.
Say pass.
अरे प्लेस नेम और ट्राइब नेम उन लोग
Tribe name.
आदिवासी that only pass.
Tell correct spelling of nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Correct. For smelling, which sensory organ used? For smelling, spelling. Which two days have a equal length of day and night? Which 2 days have equal length of day and night? Which 2 days have equal length of day and night? Which are the main part of torso? Which are the main part of torso?
Only 45 seconds remaining. You answer first. Pass.
expert Bharatnatyam dancer? Who is the expert in Bharatnatyam dancer?
Yesterday only I teach. Vaishnavi.
Think
Say loudly.
Say loudly. At least say. If it is wrong, no problem. But speak. Say loudly. Only 50 seconds remaining.
Wrong. Which agriculture season fall in a monsoon period? Which agriculture season fall in monsoon period?
Monsoon period. Agriculture. Which season we
Time
call?
up.
Time up. Next group. Saturn. Ready? First question. Which are two main agriculture seasons? Which are main two agriculture seasons?
Yes.
Say loudly.
Kharif and Rabi. Yes.
Yes, Kharif and Rabi is correct answer. Which number dial for fire brigade? Which number dial for fire brigade?
105.
Wrong.
Pass. Pass.
Dash dash make our bone strong. Dash dash is make our bone strong.
Calcium.
Calcium is the correct answer. The energy which is the store in an object is called dash dash energy. The energy which is the store in an object is called dash dash energy.
Kinetic energy.
Wrong. Next question. Drying, cooling, boiling. This method used for dash dash. Drying, cooling, boiling. This method used for dash dash.
Very easy.
Drying, coil. Pass. Okay. The intensity of sound is measured in unit called dash dash. The intensity of sound is measured in unit. It's called dash dash.
Only 30 seconds remaining.
In intensity of sound is measured in unit. It's called dash dash.
Pass.
In a map, RF represent for dash dash. In a map, RF represent for dash dash. In a map, capital RF represent for dash dash. RF.
R for what? F for what?
R for reverse.
No.
No.
R for reservoirs.
Time finish.
4 में टाइम टाइम ह्यांचा पुस्तक हाँ उनका ले लो लेकिन इनका टाइम ऑफ हो गया सॉरी
Next group, Earth. Mumbai is a famous worldwide for its dash dash. Mumbai is a famous worldwide for its dash dash. Mumbai is a famous worldwide for its dash dash. Glass is made from dash dash and dash dash. Sand and glass is made from dash dash and dash dash. If you don't know answer, then say loudly thought immediately. Wrong. Next question. Which gas is a transport to all part of body from heart? Oxygen is correct answer. Boiling of water means dash dash. Boiling of water means dash dash. Wrong. If you don't know answer, then pass. A fish swimming in a water is an example of dash dash. Random motion is correct answer. What is the square root of 1024? 32 is the correct answer. Waves of the ocean are dash dash energy. Waves of the oceans are dash dash energy. No. No. Formula of perimeter of rectangle.
L2, 2 into L plus 2 into B.
Yes, correct answer. Ball and socket join the bones can move in two or more direction in dash dash angle. Wrong answer. Time please. Uranus. Ready? What is the molecular formula of glucose?
C6H12O6.
Correct answer. When we celebrate World Food Day? Food Day. When we celebrate World Food Day?
16 October.
Yes, correct answer. What is the pH of human blood?
7.4.
Yes, correct answer. The study of muscles is called? Yes, myology is the correct answer. On which day government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jana Aushadhi Yojana? On which day government which day observed as a World No Tobacco Day?
31st May.
Yes, correct answer. Which is the structural and functional unit of living organism?
Cell.
Yes, correct answer. Next group, Neptune. Ready? Each tooth covered by a hard substance is called?
Enamel.
Enamel is correct answer. Molecular formula of magnesium chloride.
MgCl. MgCl.
Yes, MgCl2 is the correct answer. What is the name of scientist who first used the method to write symbol for elements? What is the name of scientist who first used method to write symbol for elements? What is the name of scientist who described the mechanism of blood circulation in the body?
Pass.
Which type of blood cells acts as a soldier in our body? WBC is the correct answer. What is the formula of volume of cube? What is the formula?
L cube.
Yes, L2 is the correct answer. Silk is a natural thread of fiber obtained from the dash dash of silkworm. Silk is a natural thread of fiber obtained from the dash dash silkworm.
Cocoon.
Cocoon is the correct answer. What is the square root of 841?
28.
Wrong.
29.
29 is the correct answer. Drying, cooling, boiling, this method used for dash dash. Drying, cooling, food, preservation is correct answer. The intensity of sound is measured in a unit called dash dash. Wrong. Decibel is the correct answer. In a math, time finish.
Good morning, all of you. Now I will declare result of our quiz competition. Saturn 600 score is 30. Mars 3rd and 4th standard score is 40. Jupiter 3rd and 4th standard your score is 60. Earth 5th and 6th standard your score is 60. Then Neptune 7 and 8th standard your score is 80. And today's winner group is Uranus 7 and 8th standard your score is 90.